are going to Jollibee. Look, we're in Jollibee. Once Jollibee ever won. Look, I like this thing. Let's go to menus. What you gonna pick, guys? We're in the Palapans. Okay, I have this. I have blue color. I'm looking. It's yellow. Look at Tita. I have my thing. My shoes too big for me, but I can wear it. Look, what's this? I don't know, but I will not open. What's this? Okay. Look, spaghetti. You want some spaghetti and do some food? Let's go. Okay, guys. So this is the wiggy. Oh, okay, guys. You look like this one here. Okay, so I know I need to get. I don't know. So this is why we're waiting to go to the jar to eat Jollibee. I like Jollibee, guys. Guys, so I'm gonna make a part 2